Well, in the last video, we talked about the need of Python virtual environments. We know there's a difference between Python 2 and Python 3, right? And in order to go ahead and fix this compatibility issue, we need virtual environments. So if you haven't watched my previous video, please go ahead and watch it. That's the first video in this playlist of Python programming. Well, if I was to give it to you right now in a nutshell, I can tell you that you can code in Python without using virtual environments. But the minute you update modules or Python itself, you run the risk of breaking your applications, and you don't want to do that. So how do you go ahead and create virtual environments in Windows? The first thing, it's done in two steps, right? That's it. So you say Python 3 hyphen M and virtual virtual environment. Then you name the virtual environment. So we can say hello hello virtual environment, like the Hello World program. So it's done. The first step is done. It's going to go ahead and create the hello virtual environment. The second step is to activate it. And for that, I need to uh, go ahead and run the batch file that's in the directory. I'm going to show you as a boss, and then the name, hello venv, and then script, right? And then activate dot bat. That's it. As soon as I run it, there you go. Hello venv is the name, and you find it right here. This means that you're inside the virtual environment. Go ahead and use pip after this. No one's going to stop you, right? So as soon as you see yourself, as soon as you see this prompt, it means that you're inside the virtual environment. So this area is the safe area, right? If you go ahead and close out the command prompt, you'll have to reactivate it. Now, in order to go ahead and deactivate it, you just need to run deactivate. That's it. It's going to throw you back to your, normal command prompt. If you want to go ahead and run um, a virtual environments in Linux or Mac, what you can do is, again, these are two steps. You can mention Python 3 hyphen M, and then again, it's going to be the same thing, we, and then the name, hello, whatever, or whatever you want to name it, right? So it's not like, I'm naming it hello. You got to do the same anyways. And then the second step would be using the source command. The source command is used to activate it. So you're going to say hello, env, and then bin, and then activate, and that's it. Once you do this, you'll be inside the virtual environment. You're good to go. As I said, if you close the command prompt, you'll have to reactivate your virtual environment. In order to deactivate, just run the deactivate command and you're done. And if you're new to the channel, kindly consider liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, and thank you so much. You have a great, great time ahead. Goodbye.